Hi guys, my name is Crystal and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've now calmed down. I've not been very well. I've been suffering from anemia and I feel faint and tired a lot of the time. And normally my prescriptions are delivered to my address and I don't have to walk and collect them. But Strood Medical Centre rang me up and told me they'd sent my prescription to Boots in Strood, so I have to walk. People have their prescriptions delivered when they don't feel well, they're disabled and they can't collect them. But for some reason, Leicester Pharmacy, Boots Pharmacy, is not sending my prescriptions through the post. So I'm now going to have to walk to collect my prescriptions after having a blood transfusion. Right? And they've put my prescription, I've got to collect it next month. I've got to walk and collect it. I don't live in Strood, I live in Rochester, but that is the nearest pharmacy to get my medication. Now I was happy this morning. I'd had a lovely takeaway yesterday. My stomach was nice and full and I was happy. I walked past the co-op and Kim was laughing. I could hear her laughing through the window. And remember, she knows I've got a chihuahua, Kim does. Because Kim always used to say, how's your chihuahua? Right, so I walked past the co-op, Kim was laughing her head off, walked down Gas House Road, over the Strood Bridge to get my medication. After I got the medication, I asked somebody what was going on with Max, and I was told not to panic, everything's okay. Right, which is hard to do when your dog's in the dog pound, right? So I went into a charity shop, a lovely charity shop which is opposite Iceland, and I'm going to show you what I've got. I'm going to calm down and I'm going to relax. When something is taken away from you that you've looked after for a long time, you miss it, and that's normal. That's normal. But when someone criticises me how I've looked after that dog and moans, and that's not nice, right? I have been looking after that dog. I've been paying for its food. I've been bathing it, and I've been looking after it, and I've done a decent job, and I'm proud of myself. When everybody else says they can F off, not listening. You think you can do a better job? You do a better job. Just don't come round and see me anymore and insult me, because I've had enough of it. Right, so I went into a charity shop which was opposite Iceland supermarket in Strood. If you don't tell people straight, they'll keep abusing you, they'll keep insulting you and saying nasty things about you that aren't true. And other people will believe them when it's rubbish. So I've got a size 7 foot, I'm a woman, and I have got a pair of red boots somewhere, but this it's a kitten heel. Right? So these are a size 7, these cost me £4, right? Studded, lovely, and they're Primark, and they've not been worn. They've never been worn, so no one's put their feet in them or anything. And these were £4. And me, I like trinket boxes, so I've got something to keep my jewellery and my bits in. Right? 50p. Can't go wrong with that, can you? You could put playing cards in that, jewellery, all sorts of stuff. A couple of DVDs to watch by myself. I've got The Golden Compass, Ricky Gervais Live, Fame, Good Night Mr. Tom, and Hairspray, which my mum uses quite a lot. Jennifer does, loves her hairspray. We've got a lovely horse brass here. I thought I might start collecting horse brasses. It's a really nice one, that one. That was £3. A lovely horse brass. And then these are nice stained glass coasters. You know, I'll paint my flat, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some paint and I'll paint my flat myself. I'll replace the bed and I'll fix the washing machine, right? So we've got some stained glass coasters. These are really pretty, guys, only £1. That charity shop in Strood is big. It's got lovely things in it. Really nice. So I've got those. I think I've got a book on Ozzy Osbourne because I'm stuck indoors all day with nothing to do and no one to speak to. Apart from the odd occasion when my mum wants me to go up there. Ozzy Osbourne. So I'm going to start reading that today and tonight. I haven't got to walk the dog, so we're going to start reading Ozzy Osbourne's autobiography. Oh, and I do love my soft toys, guys. I do. And we've got a small Winnie the Pooh. A small Winnie the Pooh. I've got Tigger, now I've got Winnie. I just need Piglet and Eeyore. And we have a pair of ladies' tights, I'm female. I don't think these would look good on a bloke. Extra large tights, maroon colour. And a lovely ladies' cardigan. A female cardigan. Right, that does fit as well. It's a really nice one that I didn't want to. When I go to the hospital on Monday, I've organised patient transport. G4S are driving me to the hospital. Then taxi drivers can't drive through red lights, can they? And endanger my life. Because one taxi driver drove through a red light. So we're going up to Medway Maritime Hospital on Monday in G4S patients transport because a taxi driver drove through a red light the other day. Oh, and this hat, you know, fancy dress hats. I've done a few pictures in 2009 with a hat like this on. £2, a fancy dress hat. They had a clown hat and I think they had a fireman's hat, but there you are. So I was enjoying myself. I really was, until I actually went into Aldi, which I wasn't very impressed with at all. The stuff in the shop was lovely, the food was lovely, but the people, no thank you.